Okay. Lori's 13th birthday.
Oh, those were the
85,
speakers, yes.
with Faye Watson, Tina Bush, and Tara Cranfield. Yes, a stereo.
Didn't like the lights.
Never did.
Speaking of somebody who didn't change much.
Yeah.
Changed. The look. Oh, sweet. Yeah, she might have even taken that to UCSB with her, didn't she?
I know she was at least to the speakers.
At least the speakers, yeah. I think she might have had those speakers in one of her apartments.
There's Tara Cranfield. There's
It's Tina Bush at the end.
There's Faye Watson.
Yeah. Yeah, that's funny.
and Tina Bush, who I didn't know.
Yeah, didn't ring a bell with me either.
Forget the military.
Oh, slow-mo.
Nice.
Nice.
Cute.
That needed to be slow motion.
Is that Tina Bush?
Yeah,
Must be.
Tina Fey.
Oh yeah, that's obviously true.
Yeah.
Cute kids.
Lori with earrings on.
Well, she always wore earrings. You
Yeah,
mean
but I mean
dangly
real
ones?
earrings now.
Real earrings?
They were big blue earrings.
Oh, I remember that, I think. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
The beach towel. What else did we get, Lori? Something.
Go fast.
Nails, nail polish.
We'll never know. The stereo, I guess, was the big gift.
I don't think I was there. I might have been working or something.